In the heart of nature's grandeur, there's a simple pleasure that transcends, a steaming hot cup of tea, a testament to life's sweet pauses. As the warmth radiates through your palms, taste the symphony of the leaves, a dance between the bitter and the sweet. Just as the snow graces the mountain's peak, so too does the tea kiss the lip of the cup, a gentle reminder of the world's quiet beauty, and beneath it all, the steadfast earth, a wooden table holding the stage for this humble star. And what of the man whose feet we glimpse? A silent observer, a sports enthusiast, or a weary traveler? He is the unseen guest in this tableau of tranquility. In the end, it's not just about the tea, the mountain, or the man. It's about the moment, a moment in time, a moment of peace, a moment that loops eternally in the heart of the beholder. This is the art of living. This is the art of being. This is the art of tea.